So here's the before condition. I haven't done anything yet to batteries. This is still the stock battery from ThinkPad, and this is the replacement battery I made for the Toshiba. I'm going to put the battery in the Toshiba first. There we go. Let's turn it on. You can see it's all fine. No power cord. I'll leave this one here. I'm going to put the battery of this one. Now let's see how long this one lasts. And it's dead. Check it out. 1, 2, dead. So here I am at my workbench. I'm about to replace the cells from the ThinkPad battery. So these are the bad cells. I'm going to remove them. And these are the good cells. I'm going to use them for this battery. I've made myself I drew a little schematic diagram to help me out in the replacement process. Here's how every cell should go, and we'll see what happens. So I've already desoldered the cells with my trusty soldering iron. You can see the battery pack is now empty, ready to receive the new cells. Here's the bad cells. Now, here's something to keep in mind. These cells have a type number, and that number you need to remember to when you go buy these things. These cells are 18650. That's the type number of this cell. So you need to buy 18650 to replace for replacement. For instance, these cells are 17670. They're different. They're slightly different from these cells. They are slightly larger. So I'm going to have a little bit of trouble fitting them here in this battery casing. Hope it's not too much. Here's the new cells ready to be inserted into the battery. I've loosened them all up. Now, another important thing: the positive pole here. Can you see this little notch? This little notch here. That notch means this is the positive pole of the battery, and this is the negative one. So you need to know that, so you don't solder the batteries backwards and make them explode. Okay? Here I am making a test fit to see how they would fit, and it seems to be quite nice. Now I only need to wire them up in the correct configuration. Almost ready. Every cell is soldered in place and in the correct configuration. Every point in the cell chain. Now I only need to install this board back here and give it a go. Here's the finished board, all soldered up to the cells, and as you can see, every voltage is right. So now the only thing left to do is put the casing back together, and I hope the casing fits now, because this thing is really bulging now. and voila, it worked. The case sealed completely shut just like before, no problems at all. Looks like a stock battery. So now the only thing left to do is to try this out with my IBM ThinkPad. Hey, wish me luck. And here's the moment you've all been waiting for, the moment of truth. And to quote a great guy, I'll just pop that in and play some of that. So, I'm gonna pop this sucker in. Lock it in place. Open the latches. Push the power button. And voila! Now let's see. I got back my laptop. It works now. And I saved like 70 bucks. What do you think? So let's see what Windows Power Management has to say about this. Says 80%, and as you see, the laptop works fine and battery power. I'm gonna plug the power lid. Now it's charging.